ate. Sit properly. On our way to voting. Oh, very nice. Oh, go na mo kaw. Nay, may tanam sila di gigil, oy. Oh, napay saging si mama ni. Hala, kadagko sa mushroom makaon ni dong. Hala, kadagko sa mushrooms.
I never seen mushroom.
Darabi, waka kita be?
I went to saw it.
Na so pretty the mushrooms. Oh.
Yeah,
Go.
I never seen mushroom.
Life in the kuan. Oh. Ato na tayo later.
Hi guys, this is where my mom is. And we are going to tour around by her school on Monday. So let's go.
Yeah, so Onyera was saying she will tour around my elementary school. So this is where I grew up when I was young. This our house. That's Nanay. Bless Nanay Yara. Bless. Bless Nanay. TC ikaw. Oh. Oh, hello kasi ro. Magidog eh. There are doggies. The girls. Diri ko. Yes, bring water. So, diri ako mo boat.
You see my mommy's picture and she was grade 1.
What? So this is my classroom when I was in grade 1. It's a little abandoned now because they have new classrooms in the below. So much memories here. These are, yeah. I graduated here elementary and I was a batch 1999. So this is, I brought my kids to where I graduated elementary because I didn't so cute these two. These are my girls. Oops, see. Yep, this is where stand up girls. So there, the first classroom was my elementary grade 1 classroom. Then there's, yeah, this whole school. It's very improved now. Oh, so many memories. Let's go. Uy. So sweet, these two. Come here. Let's go now. Let's go to the church. Let's check the church. Yeah, up. Are you good? Oh, hold my hand. Thank you. Oh, go to ate. Oh, ate's calling for you. Sisterly love. So much love for these two. So pretty, the pretty kids. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, resilient. Very good.
I remember the day when Abby told yeah,
Careful, Mundo.
I was like,
Hold hands. Ato dito sa, no, let's go to the church na. Careful, ha? Okay. Busy has madam, ha?
You are the intruder. She's the intruder.
May mga intruder. Busy. Away mga anak ko. Mga anak. Nagduwa siya. Oh.
Si Isaiah. Very respectful kasi ito at educated.
Stop yata, good. Tara. Eat na ta.
Ito mo pamamani mo di kang bata. Hangin. Iwan mo din hangin. Hangin ang gusto. Asan mo hangin? Ako hanger dito. Ang nagpili. What? If you translate Aliana, what today, you will get a prize. I think for and then for